So as a client, how can you give access of your digital assets to the advertiser? Actually, what advertiser needs? Your business manager account and your ad account and your Facebook page access. To start your Facebook and Instagram advertising, you need to give this access. Make sure you have to check out once if your Facebook page and your ad account is connected or not. Okay, so let's dive into this video. So to check that once, you have to go to the users, and under users you will find people. Click it, and you can see here our page and our ad account is connected. Make sure you have to check this once before giving your access to the advertiser. Okay, actually it is very simple process. So type business.facebook.com/settings, click enter, and then you will be redirect to your business manager. It was loading. To give your access of your business manager, you need your advertiser's business manager ID. Ask him and get that ID, and go to the partners, and add partner to share assets with. Click add and paste here your advertiser's ID and click to the next, and a pop-up will be appear. You can see your page. If you didn't get here your page, click the classic pages, you will get there. Okay, so select this page and enable the ads. Before saving, go to the ad accounts, click ad account and select my ad account and give the access of manage campaigns. Click save changes, click to done. So you can see here now you have given your access to the advertiser, because here your advertiser's business manager ID, right? So let's show you on the advertiser's end. It is advertiser's business manager, and advertiser goes to the partners, and you can see my client business manager. What I have to done is, as a advertiser, click here for the page access and the ad account access. Click here the page, and you can see here our KK marriage bureau page the advertiser got, but we have to give access of our team members or myself as advertiser who have to start this ad. Click add people, so the advertiser should accept the access. So I'm selecting my name and giving access myself to the page and click assign. Click done and go to the ad accounts. So for the ad account, this is our ad account of KK marriage bureau. Click that ad account and add people here also. Same like as we have done earlier, I'm giving my name to the access of managing campaigns and click assign. So the advertiser got access. So let's check once if you're going to create ads for our client or not. So go to the ads manager. So this is my ads manager ID. Click the drop down menu, and we are here with our KK marriage bureau. That's it. We can create ad now for our clients. That's it, ma'am. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to ask me anything or comment below. I will give you reply. If you want to ask me anything instantly, I am available at Instagram at 24/7. So bye bye.